And then we're gonna start to add. First, I would say let's put the chicken first. All right. Nice chicken. So it's gonna make some nice color, you know. It's very important. You get the chicken first and you get it like all blondie and all crispy. The skin is very important. That looks good. Then you're gonna put the spices. So remember, paprika, coriander, and cayenne pepper. So you can put everything in the same time. That's fine. There we go. Nice. I love spices. Then you're gonna put the tomato paste here. Same thing. There we go. Nice. Looking very good. Put a little bit of water. Okay. Wait a few seconds. That is getting boiling. And then after a few seconds, you're gonna put your celeriac, your tomatoes, your carrots, your garbanzo beans, and then your water. Put enough water so it's covering. That looks pretty good. Turn a little bit. Make sure. Alright. And we're gonna salt. So put as much salt as you like. And some green pepper. It's better green pepper. You're just gonna. There we go. That's look. Delicious. Pepper. And now you're just gonna wait. It's cooking. 45 minutes. Put on top. And let's get a glass of champagne. And let's wait. Now we're gonna blend the spices. So what I did, I put the spices on there, then I put some water and olive oil. So now you're just gonna press here and let's blend. Does it look good? That's okay. Alright, now the harissa is ready. What we're gonna do, we're gonna do the couscous now. So, you're gonna put some hot water into a pan, and then we're gonna just pour the hot water into the couscous. So, be careful, it might be very hot. There we go, boiling water over here. Bringing over the couscous here. And then pouring the water. It's very simple. Try to cover it. That's gonna be enough. And then put something to cover. I'm gonna take a salad bowl right here. In a few minutes we're gonna have a wonderful couscous ready at home.